Found another house here. A bunch of furniture and trash out here. There was a for sale sign. There's a freaking TV right there.
Is that a TV or computer screen?
Or it could be a monitor. You're right.
I guess that would be giant.
Yeah, it could be a monitor. We got Laura again here with us. We have to bring her along more often. We're having good fortune so far. Alright. Just a bunch of random junk.
Oh, look, it's like a sketchbook.
Nice. Nice. That's cool. Dang, I'd like to look through this whole thing.
I can't tell.
Is she tracing? No.
Well, like, see, are there multiple images on one page, or is it because it's wet?
I think because it's, oh yeah. I think because it's, I don't know. It's a good question. I see what you're saying though. This house has some outstanding architecture instilled in it. Not a ton of stuff in it, but there's just cool little structures and buildings and just stuff built everywhere. And the vegetation gives a beauty to it for sure. That might be poison ivy right there, so be careful. Right here to my right.
Okay. Thank you.
Who gets phone books anymore? Is there a year on that? Yeah, 2008, 2009. Chilling.
them.
Yellow. And if you look around this area right here, you can see the stone that's built around the front door with a ton of hornet nests or dirt dauber nests. And here's the front door. Okay. As you walk in here, keep your eyes open because you will see a lot of cool built-in shelving and just creative architecture that you can tell these homeowners custom built this house. Got their bang for their buck. The house is much older. It's been renovated for sure. Got 2 chimneys that have been mostly covered up. So I don't know the original age of this house, but maybe I should start in the kitchen. Here's the kitchen right here. And before you get into the kitchen, you see all that shelving there. Let's see what's in here. You okay? Alright. You can see over there, look at that archway. And it looks like you're going into a sunroom of some sort or something over there.
Sink out there.
There's a sink out there? Oh yeah. She was saying there's a sink out there. But right here you see, this is probably a kitchen area. There's a ton freaking wasp in here. I don't like that. More, a lot of wood on the ground. Watch out for nails. So here's the archway here. This could have been a laundry room.
That's hot.
National Geographics here.
Oh yeah. Oh, is that mulch?
A little bit, yep. Ain't too much, we should be okay. This just don't stay in here too long. It says 19 focus. 1977. House. Got the sun coming in from many different angles where you get a good light energy.
What did you call it?
Chi, Tai Chi. Okay, I got here. Then if you walk from the kitchen, which is a lot of nice open area here, then you come over to this room. And it's probably maybe a bedroom, I guess. Because love that window right there. But you got a bathroom right there. We'll take a look at in a minute. And then this, I guess this was a closet, I don't know. But you got closet area there, then you got these beautiful windows. This is really nice. I got it here. Okay, so here's the bathroom. That right there covers the original chimney. Sorry if you can't hear me, I have my mask on now. Here's the shower. Here you can still see the original chimney is still in there. Okay, so we're coming from that room. If you come out here, maybe this is like a guest bathroom. But look how freaking... I mean, my head's about to hit the door, and if my head's about to hit it, then that thing's short. But you can see some of the original chimney there. We got a shower here. I got some marble up here. This is interesting.
Yeah, I do like the built-in.
Okay. One through here. Who knows what these rooms were used for?
Possibly these.
Yes, it does. Feels great. More of the pool shelving. This one, which is another one. This one has another design on it, but we used to have a TV like this in my house growing up, yes. On top of this, there's some writing on it. On top of the TV it says, "I am no harm to you. I need a place to rest." So someone obviously just came in here and dropped this off, so I think that's pretty funny. We got some boots. Got some of those flip-flops. Things look uncomfortable. Oh, there's a little design on the boot. More National Geographic, 1970. Got the two TVs there. Then walk this way with this interesting red room, which is odd, but I've seen them in abandoned houses before. Just one red room, I don't know.
Really?
Yes. Yeah, what's up with that? I saw a baby picture earlier.
Really?
Yeah, look at this thing. It's probably in the baby's room at one time. Up to the front here, with the chain.
That's my favorite part.
I like. Here you have the room of magazines. Yeah. Over to the old boxing magazine. Is Maxim still out? Do they still make Maxim? There's this room for days in here.
These little cabinets too.
Yeah, I like this. These clothes and magazines in here. And again, you got these little shelves. Old bird's nest up there. Can't figure out if this is the front or the back of the house, but nevertheless, it's both sides are pretty. Over there, you got some type of crate. And what's in there? It's like more magazines and newspapers and stuff like that. It's probably used as some type of crate, some type of animal at one time possibly, or maybe a storage. Think it's a dog pen? But to find out. Oh, this is where all the wasps are at. Great. Yep, there's a There's a doghouse right there.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Cute.
Yeah, it's cool looking. Hey babe, be careful. It was a pain in the butt to get back here.
Get there.
Whew. Old table. I ain't going in there too much more, but yeah, you'll like that doghouse.
Aww.
Isn't that cool? But whoever ended up renovating this house did a fantastic job. They got a unique mindset and creative mind that they got the best out of their house with all the little nooks and crannies and storage areas. It's a piece of art, basically. It was a joy to explore this. We appreciate Laura also coming with us. And if you like what you saw, please like the video. If you like the content of the channel, please subscribe. But this was a beauty. I really enjoyed this. Hope you did too. Thanks. Yep. I'm gonna put this up in the